Hello friends, I am Suman. Welcome to my channel in the Programming Academy. Today I am going to demonstrate how we can create a user in Salesforce Lightning. Right, so how we can do this? Log into your org. In quick find box, type user. Click on users option. Here is a button new user. Then click on this. Here I am giving the first name of my user, that is Ayansh. Last name I can give as a Kumar, and yes, name it is taking by itself, and Gmail ID is okay. So mention your Gmail ID. And what is the meaning of nickname? Nickname is display name for users in online communities, right? These are the optional options. If you want to fill as per requirement, you can give here the detail. Otherwise, for now I am leaving it as a blank. This is the role. Here you need to mention the role, but this is optional while creating a user. If you want to mention, you can. Otherwise, you can leave it blank, right? So for now I can take as a manager, and user license I'm taking as a Salesforce, as I have clicked Salesforce. So I need to select the profile here, right? So what profile you want to assign this user, you can select, right? For now I am selecting my custom standard profile to this user, right? Now click on save button, and before saving this, there are the more options you can fill about this user information, right? I am just leaving it as it is. Just click on save button, right? So in this way we can create our user in Salesforce, right? So our user has been created, that is Ayansh Kumar. This is the active user. Profile is custom standard profile. Role is manager. So what is profile and how we can create profile? I have made another video on this topic. You can go for it. Okay, so that's all about the user, how we can create, right? So thank you for watching.